Whilst many of the world's most successful tech companies are still run by their founders, in most cases, founding CEOs do not typically remain in this role throughout the entirety of their business's growth journey. According to a study carried out by Noam Wasserman for his book, The Founder's Dilemmas, only 50% of founding CEOs that he looked at remained in this position by the time their respective businesses were 3 years old, and that 73% of these changes in CEO were led by the board. Make of that what you will. A startup requires someone with vision, someone who's passionate and can inspire others. But as a business evolves, it requires robust structure, repeatable processes, and perhaps even a more customer-centric mindset. It requires a leadership team that has the capability to deliver against growth objectives. It should be seen as a strength when a founding CEO recognizes it's time for them to step down. Although doing so is not without risk, this change may be detrimental to the existing team, not to mention the vision for the business, that which fueled the startup in the first place. Investor Ben Horowitz states that his VC firm, Andreessen Horowitz, often prefers investing in founding CEOs for the long term due to their thorough knowledge of the business, their work ethic and trustworthiness, and their dedication to succeed. However, there are many examples of startups that struggle when their founding CEOs lets their pride and their emotional connection to their baby get in the way of what's right for the business. A possible remedy to this could be that a founding CEO assumes a different role within the organization. For example, if they were to become head of R&D or chief technology officer, or even executive chair. It might just make best use of their skills, whilst allowing them to keep the vision for the business alive. So, can a founder make a good CEO? Of course they can. But it should be noted that the most successful founding CEOs who remain as CEO throughout the whole growth journey from startup through to IPO or exit tend to surround themselves with people who can demonstrate their experience of having previously been through a similar growth journey. Because there's nothing more valuable to an organization than a leadership team that carries the scars and bruises that comes from experience. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this topic. Please feel free to share them below. My name is Joe Graziano. I'm the Managing Director of Growth EQ, and I will see you again. Thank you.